Welcome to HighLevel Techie, and this is Jitin here, and today we are going to talk about gift cards. Now it is the time of festivities, so it is a perfect time to get started with gift cards. So gift card is a very new feature inside GoHighLevel. So if you haven't used it, all you have to do is go to payments and then go here under gift cards, right? I'm pretty sure we all have used gift cards at some point in life, but you probably haven't created a gift card. If that's the case, I'm also on the same boat. So I wasn't really sure how others can use the gift card that you create. So that's exactly what I'm gonna tell you today, how you can create a gift card and how others can use the gift card that you have created. All right, so let's get started. If you haven't created a gift card before, this is how the page would look like. But I have already created a gift card in another account. So if we go there, you can actually see the gift card I have created and one of the gift card that I was able to sell. So that's the whole idea. You can sell the gift card of your brand to other people so that they can use that gift card that you have created on your brand. So for example, my brand, HighLevel Techie, has multiple courses and multiple consultation and training services. So if I have an order page, the gift card that I created can be used by others who have purchased that gift card. And I can also send gift card to the people that I want to, and they can also use the same gift card inside my website. So I hope you got a better idea about how the gift card can be used by others, right? So let's get started and create our first gift card. All right. So to create a gift card, it's pretty simple. You go here and click on create gift card. It will ask you to give a name for your gift card. So the name will appear on the gift card as well as the gift card description. So you have to keep that in mind when you are naming your gift card. It's not only for identification purpose, it will also appear on the gift card. So let's call it HighLevel Techie Training Gift Card. And the description I'm going to give is, so I'm just going to say that this gift card is redeemable for all HighLevel Techie courses. So that will be the description. And then I can set an expiry date, or I can keep it as blank. So in that case, the gift card will never expire. But if you want to make the users to take an action, you can actually set a expiry date to that. So you can set an expiry date of 1 year and confirm, or else you can set any other date as an expiry date, or else keep it as blank. So in this case, I'm going to add 1 year as the expiration date. And then you can actually give a URL. And on this link, you can actually sell your gift cards as well as give an instruction on how you can use the gift card on other services that you have on your website, right? So that is the link. We will create that link later. For as of now, we are just going to focus on creating the gift card itself. And once that is done, what you have to do is add a terms and condition. So the terms and condition could be this gift card has to be used within 1 year. And you can also say that this gift card can be used under courses, calendars, anywhere a payment is required on this website. So you can add anything that you want to add as your terms and conditions. So I'm going to say this gift card expires 1 year from the date of purchase as my terms and condition. And I'm going to click continue. So this is where you can actually customize your gift card. So I have already added some background images for my gift card. So if you want to get access to these premium backgrounds for your gift card, I'm going to give it for free. I will put the link in the description so you can download all the templates that you see here for free. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So you can select any of the templates that you see here, or if you want to upload a new template, all you have to do is go here and upload a template and click here. Then you will get access to your media library where you have already uploaded all your templates, right? And if you don't have access to templates or you don't have any templates, what you can do is you can actually go here and create a gradient. Click on here, and then you can change the colors and it would create a gradient for you, and you can use that gradient as your gift card background. So if you are going to download one of my template, all you have to do is select that. After uploading, you simply select that and then click continue. And then here you can actually add the amount for that gift card, right? You can click on any of the pre-selected ones. So for example, you can create a gift card for $10, $25, $50 and such by clicking on this. But if you want to create something like $1,000, you will have to type that in, let's say $1,000, And if you want to create one for $2,000, create another one. So these are the gift card values that you will be selling or sharing with other people. And you can also define quantity. And if you want to limit the number of gift cards, you can set a quantity, like for example, here is 100 is the quantity. If you want to limit even less, you can change that number. And just like you see on Shopify and such, you can allow sales even if it is out of stock. So if someone bought all the 100 gift cards, you can still sell your gift card, because if you check this box, and if you did not check this box, when the number reaches 100, there won't be any gift card available on your website to buy or to share. And one thing you need to remember is that if you have set 100 as the number, and this quantity, it applies individually to each denomination, right? So if you have a $10 gift card, there will be $110 gift card. And if it is $25, there will be $125 gift card. So that's how this would work. And if you want to define the quantity, this is how you do it. If you don't want to, you have unlimited amount of gift cards, so people can keep on buying. And you don't have to set allow sales even when out of stock, because it never goes out of stock, right? So that is how you can manage the inventory for your gift card. And if you want to add a tax, you can select the tax category from here, and that's pretty much it. And you can add a category for your gift card. For example, if you are running this for Christmas, you can say Christmas gift cards. And you can also create a hierarchy for your category. So if you have multiple categories, you can nest it under a different category. So here there are some categories given here. So if you want to select a category, this would be coming under occasions and events, and then create that category, and then you can sell all your gift card that you create under a certain category. It doesn't make much difference to how you sell it, but you can actually put that in multiple categories if you want to. So once you've done that, you click continue, and then you will see the gift card that you created. So for some reason, the image that we uploaded didn't come through. So in that case, what you have to do is that go to customize card step and select one of the templates, and then click continue. And you can see this is changing, but for some reason it is not letting me select this. I'm not sure why. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to go here, click on edit inside here, and I'm going to select one of the. Okay, now it is working. So I think it's a small glitch on the HighLevel side. So anyway, this is how you can create a premium looking gift card using a premium looking background image, right? So this is how this would look like, HighLevel Techie training gift card. So if this cuts off, so you can, if you want to, you can go back and change the name to a shorter one. So I can go to the step 1, and I can say, simply say HighLevel Techie gift card, and now click on continue, and you can see HighLevel Techie gift card, and redeemable for all HighLevel Techie courses, and it expires on 17th December 2026, 1 year from now. And then this is the value, and you can see there are 6 other values as well. So these are the values. So if someone wants to buy it, they can also scan this QR code and buy it. So now we have almost ready to publish this gift card. And if you want to change anything, you can go back and change it now. And one thing you cannot change once you create it would be the background color, but you can always go back and edit the basic information, right? So once that is done, click on create gift card, and the gift card will be created. So you can see the gift card is created now, and on the back side you can see the this QR code. So now you get access to this QR code where you can scan the QR code and purchase this gift card, or else you can copy the link either from here, or else you can click on sell. And when you click next, you will see a page like this where you get an embed code or a link like this. So if you copy this link and if you access that page, you will see a page like this where it would ask you to please select a card value. So this is where you would select the amount that you want to purchase. So if you want to purchase a $10 gift card, you select on $10, and this will be a $10 gift card. And if you want to buy a $2,000 gift card, click on that, and this will be a $2,000 gift card, right? Once that is done, you can click to buy and you would receive that gift card in your email. I'm going to show you the email that you received in a second. And in that email, you will find the gift card code here. And this is the gift card code which anyone can use on your website after purchasing this gift card. So this gift card code will be generated once you buy this gift card. If you want to test this out without making the payment, there is an easy option. So you go back and then you see here test mode checkout link. You click on that and this would be in test mode rather than live mode. And you can see that here. And in here, what you can do is that you can select $10 as your value or whatever you want to select and click on buy. And then you can just fill out these details, right? In here, you can see that there are two options. Either you can gift it to someone else or you can gift it to yourself. So if you're buying it for yourself, you select myself and then type in your details. Or if you're buying it for someone else, so for example, you want to gift this gift card to someone else so that they can buy some consultation hours or training from my website. So you can select someone else's name here and then you can fill out their details. So they would get that email rather than you. And if you want the email coming to you, you would select myself here and then you would put your email address here, right? So that's the biggest difference between someone else and myself. When you select someone else, you have a couple of extra options, which is the recipient name and recipient email. So this gift card would go to recipient email saying that someone sent you a gift card, right? So that's how this would work. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select myself in this case and I'm going to fill out my details, and then I can also set a delivery date. So if you are sending this gift card on someone's birthday and you don't want that gift card to be active before the birthday, you can set that date. So let's say if I'm setting it for 31st December, you can still send this gift card, but the card will only be active from the 31st of December. And now you can also add a message. This would appear inside the gift card and also in the email that you sent. So I'm just gonna fill out my details here and I'm gonna add a message here. And now comes the checkout part. So I'm gonna type in the test card number. So you can see this is a test card number 424242 until it fills out, and then you select a date in the future as your expiration date and security code, whatever 3-digit number will work. And then you set your country, and if you want to, you can also add your information for faster checkout, but we don't really need that. And once you've done that, this is what you need to do. Click on pay. So once the payment goes through, you would see that the details here. Thank you, Jitin Sujala. A payment of $10 was successful. Your order number is 2 because this is my second testing, and then a receipt and confirmation has been sent to your registered email, right? And this is how the gift card would look like. And you can also click here to download the gift card, and this would download as a PDF. So I'm going to show you the gift card that I sent earlier so that you can see how it looked like. So the gift card email would be like this. You have received a $10 gift card from Jitin, and whoever has sent that gift card to someone would have their name here. And since I sent it to myself, I have my own name. This is how that email would look like. The name would appear here, and then the description will be here, and the expiration date is here, and then the total value, and more importantly, the gift card code will be added here, and you can also copy this gift card code, and the message that you type in will appear here. So whatever you type in as part of this gift card message will appear inside this email as well. If you're downloading the PDF version of it, you will find that message at the bottom as well. So now, how can you use this gift card in your business? Or if someone else purchased this gift card, how can they use that gift card in your website or on any of the services that you are offering, right? That's what we're gonna look at now. So if you go to my community and click on this link where you can actually get full day training. So there are a few links here. So I'm gonna go to this full day training, right? So there is a price point here, and if you select that, and we are talking about calendar payments, right? Even in calendar payments, this gift card would work. So if I select a date and click on select, and if I go to payment information here, you will see a new field called gift card, right? And this is where you enter that gift card code that you received on your email. So I'm gonna do that now. And if I come here and add that gift card code and click on apply, you will see that $10 has been applied to the value. And now you only have to pay whatever total minus $10 or whatever is the amount that is part of the gift card, right? So this is how you can use the gift card that you created on your website for your services or anything that you sell on your website, right? That was the most confusing part in this, I believe, because I wasn't really sure how you can actually apply the gift card once you create it on your website or any services that you offer. So any payment pages, if you have a payment on a form, if you have a payment on a calendar, or if you have an online store, they will all have this gift card option now, and you can apply the gift card code in here. If the actual price is more than the gift card price, only the difference will be charged. If the gift card price is equal to the service price, then you don't really pay, you just need to pay with the gift card. So this is how you can create a gift card and sell it to someone, or you can actually send it to someone. If you want to send it to a particular contact, click here and select a contact. So I'm going to select myself and then click on continue, and then you can type in the message here. So for example, there are few suggestions here, so simply select that, and once you've done that, click on continue again, and this is where you would select that gift card value, 10, 25, whatever you want to select, and then you can send them an email or an SMS, or you can also send this as a QR code or as a PDF, right? And you can also set the delivery date here. So once you select email and click continue, this would look like this, and once you confirm everything, you can simply send this gift card to that particular customer. So, and once you send, or once someone purchases the gift card, all of them will appear here. So you can see the one I sent is here, and the one we sent earlier, which had a delivery date of 31st December, is here, which is scheduled, which is not sent out yet, which will go out on 31st of December. And the first gift card I sent is also here. All of the gift card that you sell or someone redeemed will be under the order tab. And if you want to see the gift card that you have created, you go here, all gift cards, and you will see all the gift cards that you have created. Now, if you want to delete this gift card, you can delete here. But when you delete it, only the card will delete. All the orders that you made prior to that will remain as active. You cannot control that. So that's something that you need to remember. You can also deactivate this gift card if you want to. So once you deactivate the gift card, you also have an option to activate it back. Once you delete it, it gets deleted permanently. So that's all you need to understand about gift cards. And you can track the sale of your gift card here. And you can see the average order value, the number of customers, and all that from here. So if you're getting started with gift card, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Also get all the templates for free when you click on this link in the description. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.